the dance of movement, why your body craves the blue zone groove. Picture a sun-drenched village where laughter mingles with the rustle of olive leaves. Children chase each other through fields of ripening tomatoes, their grandparents tending vines with nimble fingers. This isn't a postcard. This is the rhythm of life in the blue zones, where movement isn't a chore but a vibrant dance woven into the fabric of every day. Forget sterile gyms and forced marches. In these hidden enclaves, physical activity isn't a regimented waltz. It's a playful salsa with your daily routine. Gardening transforms into a graceful tai chi, walking with friends morphs into a joyful samba, and even household chores become a subtle hip-hop of muscle engagement. This isn't about pushing your limits. It's about celebrating natural movement, keeping bodies strong, hearts buoyant, and minds focused. Remember, physical activity isn't a prison sentence. It's a vibrant melody humming through your life. But why is this moving naturally so important? Science whispers the answer in a symphony of studies. Regular movement, like a gentle brushstroke on the canvas of your health, paints a picture of vibrant well-being. Cardio's calypso, your heart, the maestro of your body's orchestra, thrives with regular movement. Picture it, strengthened by the rhythmic beat of walking, its chambers pumping the melody of life with renewed vigor. Studies have shown that regular physical activity can lower blood pressure, reduce your risk of heart disease, and keep your cardiovascular system humming a happy tune. Muscles and bones. Mambo. Forget creaking joints and stooped postures. Regular movement, like a weightlifting mambo, strengthens your bones and muscles, keeping you dancing through life with confidence and grace. Studies have shown that weight-bearing exercises can increase bone density, ward off osteoporosis, and build muscle mass, the essential partners in your body's tango of strength and mobility. Chronic blues. Begone, diabetes and stroke, those unwelcome guests at the banquet of life, find little purchase in the blue zones. Regular physical activity, like a disco-infused shield, can help reduce your risk of developing these chronic diseases, keeping your body healthy and your spirit free to soar. Mind over matter. Meringue, stress, that unwelcome shadow, fades into the background when you embrace movement. Exercise, like a mental meringue, releases endorphins, nature's own mood boosters, helping to reduce anxiety and depression. Studies have shown that regular physical activity can improve your overall mood and mental well-being, leaving you feeling lighter than air. But how do we translate this vibrant blue zone rhythm into our own lives? Here's the secret: find your own groove. Unleash your inner child. Remember the joy of chasing fireflies or skipping through puddles? Rediscover that playful spirit. Dance in your kitchen, take the stairs with a smile, or join a frisbee game in the park. Let movement be a celebration, not a chore. Embrace the everyday groove. Turn errands into adventures. Walk or bike to work, take the stairs instead of the elevator, and park further away. Every step is a brushstroke on the canvas of your health. Find your tribe. Join a walking group, take a dance class, or find a workout buddy. Shared movement is a powerful motivator, and the laughter will add extra rhythm to your steps. Listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard. Start slow, listen to your body's whispers, and gradually increase your activity level. Remember, consistency is key, not intensity. The Blue Zone dance isn't about perfection, it's about finding joy in movement. Every step, every stretch, every playful wiggle is a vibrant note in the symphony of your health and happiness. So, put on your dancing shoes, embrace the rhythm of your body, and let the music of life guide your steps. You'll be surprised how much joy and vitality you find in the dance of movement.